most terrifying sounds of the Second World War, because this video looks interesting and I want to do it. So I'm not even going to waste time. We're just going to get straight into this one. Straight into most terrifying sounds of World War II. Alrighty, let's go. Flying Dutchman is the channel name. Let's get this going. The Panzer never. Multiple rocket launcher. Bro, that sounds cool. I mean, I guess not if you're on the receiving end of it. Jeez, this is leveling everything. Wow. What are those, on tanks or something? I mean, it sounds cool if you were, like, not the one having the missiles dropped on you, I guess. What's next? So far, it's very German. Yeah, this is the one where it sounds like a... I don't know how to describe it. You hear it. And then it just stops, and then it falls, and it explodes, right? Yep. Wow, that's bigger than I thought the explosions were. German again. Alright. Wow. Weren't the MG42 was the one that was so good that, like, if you didn't have to change out the barrel, it would be just as good as modern machine guns, wouldn't it? Like, don't smaller armies still use them? It's like the AK-47. I know it wasn't in World War II, but it's still, like, the Russian army still has them, even though they were first made in the 40s. Albeit the late 40s. People back then didn't even wear earplugs during this. It's crazy. German again? Nope, Russia. Another rocket launcher. What do you want to bet it sounds the same? Yep. Wow, they fire more. The Soviet Storm. Yet again, it sounds and looks cool as long as you're not the one on the inside of that city. What is this one gonna be? Heavy armored fighting vehicles. This is everyone. It's a radio dude. Let's go. Yeah, that would be terrifying if you were just on foot. It's still so cool that even though World War II was 80-some years ago, we still have such good footage of it, and there's still people who fought in it that are alive from all sides. It's still cool. What do you do? Just that? What's this one gonna be? German again. No, everybody knows this one. The siren thing. Yep. Didn't they do this siren intentionally to scare people? And there goes the building! Artillery naval fire support. Alright. From the boats. Or from, I guess. Yeah, this is definitely the most terrifying one we've heard so far. That would be scary if you're on the receiving end of it. Alrighty, what's next? Air raids. This is gonna be terrifying. Is this recorded from the air? You can hear it so clearly. Okay, with the air sirens, I don't think it could be from the air, but it looks like it is. Yeah, the video's from the air, but I don't know. Yeah, they got progressively more terrifying, we'll say. Except for the rocket launchers. They were the same. They just sounded cool, unless... obviously, you were the one getting... Goodbye.